we work to bring awareness to issues that young people have in our communities.
It allows young people's voices to be heard in two ways: the topics that affect them and also consulting with local decision makers in the area. The UN Convention of the Rights of a Child, Article 12 states that every young person has a right to a say, and that say deserves to be given weight.
Corla is to me being the bridge between young adults and being able to speak for those who can't speak or don't have the courage to speak.
Comhairle na nÓg is the local council for young people aged 12 to 17. It gives us a voice on the development of local policies and services.
So we have coordinators, and they basically tell us when to meet, and they organize the facility that we're going to meet in. We usually have speakers in, like we had Sipsy, Jigsaw, we have speakers coming in, and then we talk to them. They tell us what their problems are. We try to help them out. We try to gain information from them as well.
There are lots of Comhairles all around Ireland, but I'm specifically part of the Fingal Comhairle.
We meet once a month and it alternates between Swords and Bantry-Town.
People usually think Comhairle is only for student councillors or people that are into global issues. No, Comhairle can be for anyone.
You get to meet a lot of friends in Comhairle from events, and then as well as the people in the Comhairle you will be in, and everyone gets along really well because we're all working for the same thing to have our voices heard and bring awareness to issues.
It's for everyone. It's to get the youth's opinion on major issues and smaller issues in our areas.
Even if you don't struggle with any issues and you don't struggle with any problems, but just it's fun. You get a lot out of it. You might think that it isn't what it looks like, but once you're here and once you actually sit down with the people, you realise there's much more to get from it.
If you like reading books, come along. If you like videography, come along. If you like painting, come along. It's bomb. I'm telling you right now, if you actually join yet, you're gonna love it. That's a fact.
Your opinion matters. We want to know what you think about environmental issues and all, and how we can improve our community. Everything is about how we can improve things. It really is. At the AGM, we come up with an issue or a topic that we want to tackle. So the last year we did one on, it was male body image, because we feel that needed to be addressed more. So we came up with a video called Perfect Imperfections, and we did lots of research.
Body image is about your attitude towards your body. It's how you see yourself and how you feel about the way you look. It's how others see you and may have little to do with your actual appearance. Body image can affect how you interact with others and how you behave.
The video was so good, and it was all fun, but we were doing work at the same time. It was really beneficial, and we sent the video around, I think it was in schools, and we showed it at the AGM to 150 children and all.
The first event I went to was the AGM. Basically, the Comhairle at the time organised the AGM to advertise Comhairle and get new members in. And they were telling us about Comhairle, what we did. We actually had a full-on meeting there. Then we started discussing and having meetings about what we were going to do that year.
Comhairle's main aim for this year was to help promote mental and physical health with young people within the area. Getting young people to start eating healthier and be more physically active. We want to reach out to young people and get them to be more aware of their mental health and how to improve that as well. We were able to take part in activities in Glendalough and the Citizenship Awards in Blanchardstown.
We also did the Fróga Fingal Fifth Fest 2019, where we actually displayed all these activities that we did.
We handed out fruit and yogurt cups, and then we had a tree that everyone put a leaf on it, and you could write what you do when you feel sad or what you do when you feel happy or angry or something, and then someone else could read that and it could help them.
And then we had a box and it was a box with quotes in which you could take home, and it would make you feel like happier with yourself.
We had a smoothie stand where we had smoothies to encourage people to, do physical exercises and then come and get a smoothie to boost their energy again.
The water bottle challenge was more of a metaphoric way in where we get handed bottles half filled to people, where we told them to hold their hand out, and it looked like an easy concept, but if you really thought about it, the longer you hold the bottle, the bigger the problem grows. So even if it might look small, in reality the problem could be bigger than you think. Personally, a source of freedom, free speech. I believe that my opinion is definitely 100% valued and taken into consideration, and it's not thrown under the bus. People really do actually pay attention to you, and your problems, they make our problems their problems too.
I would definitely recommend Corla to others. It has changed my life so much, and I've enjoyed Corla, and I've been committed to coming to these monthly meetings, and it's just been really, really fun, and I've made new friends, and all of these experiences have been great, and I think it's something I'll be able to remember my entire life.
Corla has made me realise that no matter what age you are, you can always have a voice and have your opinion heard by people, and it's given me the opportunity to have my voice and opinion heard by, on a larger scale.
We're on the streets today and we're asking the public about male body image.
How do you think poor male body image affects mental health?
Mental health can be affected by so many things, but obviously people struggling with fitness, people struggling with body image is one big factor of it.
Celebrities and body image, what do you think is real?
Generally it's hard to believe what you see, and it's bad for youth, I think.
What does male body image mean to you?
You might think you look okay or that you're overweight or whatever, and other people think that's important, but I don't necessarily think that it should be. It's the person behind the actual physical body that really counts, I think, that should be in that regard.
Do you think, in your opinion, that your generation is under pressure because of social media?
I mean, there's a lot of pressure from false imagery on Facebook and Instagram, and there's a lot of pressure on males for their body image and even their health now at this stage, which is good in a sense, but at the same time, you can't really go around like that constantly every single day.
Do you think male body image is something males struggle with?
Yes, I do, especially younger males and kind of at the gym and things like that. I do think it's a problem.
Perfect Imperfections is a short film to create awareness about male body image and its impact on male mental health. The evidence confirms that some men do in fact struggle from male body image, such as low self-esteem, suffer eating disorders, and feel extremely pressured to hit the gym more often than before. In the past, image issues were thought of more of a female issue, where men weren't really even considered in the equation. But now, with more and more pressure put on men, it's time that we as a society start taking notice of what exactly is going on and how it's impacting male mental health.
Mental health is about the way we think and feel and our ability to deal with life's ups and downs.
Body image is about your attitude towards your body. It's how you see yourself and how you feel about the way you look. It's how others see you and may have little to do with your actual appearance. Body image can affect how you interact with others and how you behave.
An unhealthy body image is when you feel like your body or appearance isn't good enough. Certain male groups such as young men, gay men, athletes, bodybuilders, models, and dancers may be particularly vulnerable to poor body image or feeling insecure, as they are more likely to be judged according to their weight or appearance.
A recent survey by reachout.com called What's Wrecking Your Head states that 72% of teenagers name body image as a cause of stress.
Takes blood from your arm, she'll take 80 mils of blood, she puts it in a machine, spins it.
I've told my surgeon to make me look like Katie Price. It can do whatever it
Platelets,
wants.
they rejuvenate your skin, you know, they make your skin amazing. Obviously a lot of celebrities have it, not just people.
A perfect body is not everything the media makes it out to be. I believe the perfect body can be seen in the small things. The unique things that make you, you. What is deemed to be your imperfections are what make you perfect. Yet male body image has become more and more about this perfect image, and many are suffering in silence. We need to break the patterns so that men don't suffer in silence.
Alright guys, so you're here today to discuss negative male body image. So you've all written down anonymously some statements on negative male body image, and now we're going to pitch some randomly, and you're going to read them to the camera.
People believe that the perfect male body image is someone who is built and muscular.
Everyone, regardless of body type, should feel positive about themselves.
Male body image should make some people unhappy.
In society today, men are expected to go to the gym all the time and have that perfect masculine body.
Male body image perception and is all about the muscles, although in reality it is not. It is about who you are as a person.
Young males today face just as much hardship as women regarding their appearance.
Male body image is falsely portrayed in the media.
Male body image makes you feel less confident and sad, and you may not want to go out.
Male body image is a silent killer.
Male body image makes you feel sad and lonely.
Male body image makes you feel self-conscious.
Struggling with weight and body image issues my entire life, I know how hard it is to deal with the expectations of society.
Uh-oh, running out of breath, but I got stamina. Uh-oh, running now I close my eyes. Well, oh, I got stamina. And uh-oh, I see another mountain to climb, but I got stamina. Uh-oh, I need another lover be mine, 'cause I got stamina. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no, no, no. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no, no. I'm free to be the greatest I'm alive. I'm free to be the greatest here tonight. The greatest, the greatest, the greatest alive. The greatest, the greatest alive. Well, uh-oh, running out of breath, but I got stamina. Uh-oh, running now I close my eyes, but uh-oh, I got stamina. And oh yeah, running till the waves below, but I got stamina. And oh yeah, I'm running and I've just enough, oh, I got stamina. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no, no, no. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no, no. I'm free to be the greatest I'm alive. I'm free to be the greatest here tonight. The greatest, the greatest, the greatest alive. The greatest, the greatest alive. Oh, oh, I got stamina. Oh, oh, I got stamina. Oh, oh, I got stamina. Oh, oh. Hey, I am the truth. Hey, I am the wisdom of the fallen, I'm the youth. Hey, I am the greatest. Hey, this is the proof. Hey, I work hard, pray hard, pay dues. Hey, I transform with pressure, I'm hands-on with effort. I fell twice before, my bounce back was special. Let downs will get you, and the critics will test you, but the strongest survive, another scar may bless you. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no, no, no. I'm free to be the greatest time alive. I'm free to be the greatest here tonight. The greatest, the greatest, the greatest alive. The greatest, the greatest alive. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no, no, no. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no, no, no. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no, no, no. Don't give up, I won't give up. Don't give up, no, no, no.